Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna bola bola. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of drained tuna, about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 egg to bind everything together. Don't forget to finely chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic for that essential aromatic base. Also, have 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs ready, along with your preferred salt and pepper. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your drained tuna, chopped onion, garlic, flour, egg, breadcrumbs, and seasonings. Use your hands to mix everything thoroughly until it's well incorporated and slightly firm. This ensures your bola bola will hold their shape. Once mixed, take small portions and roll them into uniform balls, aiming for about 1.5 inches in diameter for even cooking. It's time to cook your delicious tuna bola bola. You can choose to fry or steam them. For frying, heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Carefully place the balls in the hot oil and fry for 3 to 4 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. If you prefer steaming, arrange them in a steamer basket and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Your tuna bola bola are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm as an appetizer or a main dish, perhaps with a side of sweet chili sauce or your favorite dipping sauce. They're fantastic for parties or a quick meal. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. And hey, for more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.